Introduction. The smallest natural number that each one of a pair of natural numbers divides into a whole number of times is called their lowest common multiple. In order to find the LCM of two or more numbers, 1. List the multiples of each of the numbers. 2. List the common multiples of two or more numbers. And 3. The smallest of the common multiples is the LCM. The LCM can also be found from the prime factorization of each of the two or more numbers. LCM of the numbers using multiple of numbers. Find the LCM of the following set of numbers: A. 3 and 4, B. 5 and 7, C. 3, 4 and 5. A. The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39.